Hey guys, how's it going? This is Kendrys. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the new features in the news update for Clip Studio Paint. So you probably have seen already is this new feature that allows you to colorize. So it's a new way that you can use to color your drawings, and it's pretty cool. It gives it kind of like a cool effect. You know, like the color is not really flat colors. It has this like nice blended look. So the cool thing is like you can paint in the colors like this, and then it ends up like that. So I'm gonna go really quickly to show you how it works. So I did this already, but let me just do a different one. So the way it works is you put the colors, you know, in the area that you want, and you don't have to do it like really well. You know, you just kind of throw in the colors, like, okay, the arm. You don't even have to do it like that much. You can just put like a line and things like that, like a little bit. You know, kind of like that. And say, okay, the hair color is gonna be this. So before you go and colorize it, what you should do is you click, say, the line drawing, the line art, and you go here to set as reference. So you can set as a reference. You see they get this little icon. So, you know, that means that's like the reference layer. And then you select the color layer. You know, so you have that selected, and then you go to colorize. And then use hint image and colorize. So the hint image is pretty much the line art. That's what you put as a reference. So you go here and then colorize. And then, you know, it takes a little bit, like a few seconds, and then it colors in like the whole thing. And, you know, depends the colors that you put, you're gonna get a different look. This is kind of very grayish. Yeah, this is one that I did before, and I think it looks a little better. And yeah, under painting or something like that, if you're gonna paint, you know, you get like a basic color, and it's kind of blended already, and then you start adding like the shadows and then whatever, right? You start painting, and I mean, also like this, it has this kind of watercolor effect. Maybe you can add some like watercolor texture or something like that. You know, make it look somehow more traditional, something like that. And then it has this other one that I guess more advanced. So, you know, it's pretty much the same thing, but you can kind of change how different things like the blur, and you can check this box here and analyze the colors. So what happens is you get this, you know, the different colors that you have, and then you can change it with a curve, right? So you see how you change. So since we're here doing this kind of new features, so there's another feature that I want to show very quickly, and is the remove tones or change the tone. So you know how the manga has the screen tones and things like that. So that's an option that they added, and you can just remove that. So for example, I'm just gonna go here, delete tones from the selected layer. Right? So I just click that. It takes a little bit, and boom. Now you only get the dark, the black lines, which is, I guess, kind of cool if you want to color some manga art or something like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. There's actually a lot more features that they added, especially for the animation stuff. So I'm gonna go through that in another video. But for now, I think that's gonna be it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.